like shopping at Trader Joe's or a place like Trader Joe's, you know that there's a lot of good options and a lot of maybe not so healthy options at stores like this. So today I want to share with you the 5 top best foods to stock from Trader Joe's at home so that you can boost your metabolism. As a dietitian who's worked with a lot of people, I oftentimes have people stock staples that they know are safe foods that are nourishing and really, really strategic when it comes to supporting our metabolism every bite of the day. Now here, I am a functional medicine dietitian. I love helping men and women over 40 look and feel their best by optimizing hormones, metabolism, and health span. This is definitely the channel you want to subscribe to if you haven't already to get the latest science and strategies from a nerd that will help you look and feel amazing in 2025 and beyond. And if you haven't already, I do have a really neat must-have guide down below on getting rid of toxins, which we know are super bad for your metabolism, and why not have a clean slate to start 2025 with. All right, so let's dive into my top 5 best products from Trader Joe's that boost your metabolism. These are, again, staples. I'm not saying everything else is off the table, but if you were looking at my own pantry at home, which I'm not home right now, but if you were home with me, these would be things that you see in my cupboards all the time. And these are things I tell people all the time about when they live by a Trader Joe's or shop at Trader Joe's. All right, so here we go. My first pick on foods that boost your metabolism that you can find at Trader Joe's are the no sugar added chocolate chips. Now, why did I start with the sweet? Because everyone at Trader Joe's knows there's a lot of sweets at Trader Joe's, a lot of sweet things that don't boost your metabolism. But this particular one is sweetened with allulose, which I was so happy to find because we know from my belly fat video and other videos I've made that allulose has some pretty exciting research on stabilizing blood sugars. People are even using it to wean off GLP-1s because it kind of acts like a GLP-1 in higher doses. So all of that is to say, when you find chocolate sweetened with allulose, it is a ding on my list. I love sprinkling these on my chia seed puddings for breakfast with collagen and chia seeds and some other fun things like cinnamon. And it just gives that chocolatey crunch that I love without all the sugar. The second best item that I say would be a staple in any home if you're trying to boost your metabolism is the Trader Joe's 200-calorie raw almond snack packs. They have a lot of trail mixes there. A lot of those have yogurt chips and cranberries and other things. I like this as plain Jane. I know it's kind of boring, but honestly, it's a safe one to have. And you can eat fruit with this to get that fruit nut combo. It doesn't have to be dried fruit. But these are 200 calories, great to take on the go and to snack at home. I oftentimes put this in my kids' lunches and they don't usually complain. So it's a nice one. We know that almonds have a good amount of protein. It's one of the higher protein, lower saturated fat nuts. And when you don't roast them, you're not changing any of the protein structures or causing any bad, reactions to happen. So raw is always the best. The third best food at Trader Joe's to help boost your metabolism. Now this one's a little controversial, but if you do eat cheese, which there are a portion of my patients who are just not dairy free for whatever reason, and I'm not saying everyone needs to be dairy free, but if you do eat dairy, remember it's the breast milk of a cow and breast milk has toxins in it. So that cow better be really, really healthy. And I love that Trader Joe's carries New Zealand cheddar cheese. It comes sliced and in a block, and I love that it doesn't have anti-caking agents that a lot of times can have aluminum. So this is on my metabolism boosting food guide because of the toxin-free aspect and also the organic aspect of cheese. Now it still has saturated fat, so be mindful of that if you need to be keeping saturated fats lower. But Trader Joe's is not known for stocking a lot of organic cheeses, so having this one available at a Trader Joe's is lovely. And again, it's a staple at my house because my kids still do eat quesadillas and cheese with their sandwiches. The fourth best food from Trader Joe's that I love to stock that helps to boost your metabolism is the organic rainbow cauliflower. Anything in the cabbage family, including cauliflower, is wonderful for your metabolism because of the sulfur. Helps you make glutathione, helps you with detoxing, helps with estrogen metabolism. And it's important to get broccoli and cauliflower organic whenever possible because of the types of pesticides used on these crops. Now, I love that it's rainbow because it means that it has different kinds of minerals and antioxidants in it. It's not dyed, it's not GMO. So the more variety, the better. And I love that this comes in a ready to go package that you can just throw in a stir fry, a soup, or even just if you had to microwave, although that's not my favorite option. Roast, for instance, in a toaster oven. So love, love, love that. Of course, it's still perishable perishable. You do need to consume it within a certain amount of time, but I love that that's at Trader Joe's. Everyone always asks me about the packaged foods and salads, premixes, and yes, I would say if it's the difference between not eating salad and eating salad, cool. There's a lot of great pre-packaged salads there. Some of the dressings still do have sugar, so my best advice, it's not on my top 5 food list, but if you're gonna do a pre-packaged salad from Trader Joe's, is add more veggies, make your own vinaigrettes at home if you can. I used to work with a chef who we would teach cooking demos and make our own vinaigrettes for people to see how easy it is. So really, lack of time is not the excuse. One day I will teach a salad making class, master class. If you want that, comment down below because I am the queen of salad making and I don't buy the prepackaged salads at Trader Joe's because I find that they're still not as good as the ones I can make from home. But again, if you're in a bind, it's not like it's off the table completely. But it didn't make my top 5 list. Fifth and final food from Trader Joe's that helps to boost your metabolism, that's just super easy to access, is the organic chicken breast that's already cooked. So many people are doing rotisserie chickens, and I have an issue with that because that's heat lamps, plastic, sitting there for hours. Not a fan. Not a fan of what that does to your metabolism long-term, having all that BPA in your life. So going with an organic chicken breast is, it's plain Jane, but you can dress it up. You can throw it in stir fries. You can add it to soups. You can add it to your salad. So easy to have around if you don't have the time to cook chicken from scratch. All right, my final bonus, which is not a food, what I still love, is the silicone bags they have at Trader Joe's. Normally, these cost a lot more at the store, but Trader Joe's packages 3 different sizes, and silicone is always better than plastic because we're avoiding that BPA component, which we know does mess with our metabolism. When it comes to hormone balance overall, especially estrogen balance, we know that xenoestrogens mess with our hormone signaling, and BPA is no exception. Try to stay away from plastic whenever possible, and silicone bags are just so practical. So pick those up at Trader Joe's. They're cost efficient. They work. The smaller snack bags tend to pop open, unfortunately, if you stuff them too full. So a lot of times I have to put a clamp on that, which is kind of annoying. But again, the cost is super nice because it's Trader Joe's brand. So that's my bonus one for you if you didn't know that existed. Again, different Trader Joe's stocks different things, but you could always go to the front desk and request them to stock an item, especially if you know that it's stocked at other stores. So I hope that if you're a Trader Joe's shopper, you just upgraded your experience knowing the top 5 foods that boost your metabolism there. If you want more videos like this that are more practical for grocery stores that you frequent, just let me know down below. I'd be happy to make that for you. Until next time.